And you can see, right? You can see the water little. Now the water was finished. Now there is no rain, but everyone is wearing in koda and jacket, raincoat, right? But there is no rain now, I think. So now we are going in to see the rain. Okay? Now there is no water here like last year. Last year there was so many water, so much water. Like there was a flood. Yeah, that's last year. Oh my God! 2 days it was rainy season, and then there is not much water. Last year only full night and full day rain, and there is so much water like flood there was. For now there is no water, only little puddles. You can see. Now it's very clean, but there is little bit water. There is some puddles of water. Okay, you cannot see because we are in a block. But morning there was so much water, but I cannot believe that seriously. Now there is only puddles. We thought there will be so much water, but there is no much water. There is not too much water. Only like puddles. Okay. There is no much water. Okay. Morning there was so much water. Not like a flood, okay? Like normal water. Now there is no water. That is nice. Right, guys? You can see there is no water. Okay? There's no water in Kochi and Kaloor. You can see. So, now, bye guys. See you in my next video.